The following video will be a brief overview of how I produced the RonPaulCurriculum.com WordPress tutorials. First, I recorded my screen with a program called Debut, a freemium software produced by NCH, which allows you to record a certain amount of video without a watermark. I concurrently recorded the narration with my Rode VideoMic Go mounted on my DSLR camera. I then edited the screencasts on a monthly subscription-based program called VideoPad, also produced by NCH. For one video, the finished timeline looks something like this. Each one took about an hour or two to edit. As soon as each one was finished, I exported them. While this was happening, I used the subtitle function of VideoPad to create the closed captioning for the videos. This took about 1 hour per video. I used Canva to produce the thumbnails for the YouTube videos. Altogether, each video I would say took about 3 hours to produce. Thank you for watching this brief overview on how I produced the RonPaulCurriculum.com WordPress tutorials.